Hi guys, welcome back to the IELTS Workshop YouTube channel. My name is Duy Anh, a teacher of the Foundation, Freshman and Sophomore courses at the IELTS Workshop. And in today's episode of Exam Room, we will be answering a speaking part 2 question, which is describe an event that changed your life. As you can see, we are not filming at the regular studio, but instead we are at home. That's because in order to prevent the spread of the coronavirus, the Vietnamese government has ordered all citizens to stay at home and work from home. And that also is the topic of my answers today. So without further ado, let's go. Well, I think every person has an eye-opening moment or moments that define who they are, how they think and behave, and I am of no exception. Mine actually happened quite recently during the COVID-19 pandemic, to be exact. Well, in order to prevent the spread of the fatal virus, we all have to stay indoors and work from home, which has been very challenging for many people, myself included, because I simply enjoy working in certain settings, especially with white noises and human interaction. I just love the buzzing atmosphere, like at a coffee shop or in a co-working space or in an office. However, in contrast, staying at home creates a lot of convenience, and ironically enough, comfort is my inner saboteur. It kind of erases the importance of rules and disciplines and time, so I suddenly became very easy on myself, work-wise and nutrition-wise. Overeating and procrastination somehow turned into my new coping mechanism during quarantine. And the worst part about this is I just kept longing for the normality we once had before all of this, instead of taking action and adapt. And at the end of the day, I just can't help feeling useless and disappointed in myself. Then one day, I suddenly realized that I can never fully appreciate the value of resting without working. It's kind of like a wake-up call to me, and I just found a solution, and I pushed myself to be busier to kind of get back to normal. So I set up the alarms, I made plans, I tried to mirror the working and sleeping pattern that I once had. I also tried to mimic the office environment by working at a desk instead of on the bed, or surround myself with jazz music, coffee, post-it notes and pens always ready. I really need to stay disciplined and fight the humanity that staying at home provides, just to later enjoy them as rewarding prizes. For many people, this can be as simple as adapting, but for me, the whole experience is life-changing because it helps me treasure the power of self-control and comfort more than ever. Okay, so that was my answer for today's speaking part 2 question. What did you think about it? Do you have some new ideas or vocabulary that you would like to share? Then feel free to comment down below. And also let us know what question should we answer next. Thank you so much for tuning in and staying at home. This has been Duy Anh from the IELTS Workshop. Please like, share and subscribe to the IELTS Workshop channel. And I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys!